This is a review of the Vevor meat grinder. Tough tools, half the price. So we just assembled this. That looks like quite a monster. Anyway, so here we go. We got a whole chicken chopped up right there, and we're gonna feed it through that thing. And James is gonna take video of me doing it. I'm scared, but this is the moment. We're gonna turn it on.
Should put the chicken in first so it's all ready to go, because it's not supposed to run for more than a few seconds
Right.
without things in it.
So I'll grab a bowl. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna do this. And then where's the plunger? I've got a plunger here. Okay. So here we go. It should be just like the juicer, which is here. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It's not too loud. This is really grinding up whole chicken or cat food. Yeah, it's really quick. It pretty much feeds itself. That's the whole wing. There's the whole wing. Just clean it right up. Here we go. All done. Okay. Well, we did that. That was how long?
The whole video is about 4 minutes now.
So this whole chicken, that is what we created
That's it.
for the Vevor. Oh, and somebody's here to test the food. Are you ready? Yeah. That's that. So I wanted to add to this video that this housing does not come off easily. So when cleaning it, it's good to get all that stuff out of there. So we needed to have our own tools to get these bolts off in order to clean it. So a little bit inconvenient. The rest of it just screws on. The piece goes in there. The cutting blade goes on top of that piece, and then these guys go in there. Anyway, but that's my review.